Cabinet Secretary Waro, ICT, Cabinet Secretary Alfred Mutua, Foreign Affairs, Cabinet Secretary Penina Maronso, Tourism, Maronsa, Cabinet Secretary Rans, Sakari Injeru is here with us. My friend Chirichil was here, but I think he got into another commitment. Your Excellency, I want in a very special way to thank you so much for giving me and my principal secretaries the opportunity, the honor to be part of this very important process, which indeed is historic. Your Excellency, today you have awarded a charter to the first university of its kind in Kenya. This is the first ever open university in Kenya. I have to say, Your Excellency, that your involvement in this historic journey has not started today. Indeed, I can confidently say that the idea of the establishment of the Open University of Kenya was, in fact, your brainchild right from the beginning, 2009. As you rightly reminded us, Your Excellency, during yesterday's launch of the report of the Presidential Working Party on education reform, this is a journey which you started when you served as the Minister for Higher Education before you were interrupted way back 2009. When you assumed office as the President last year, you prioritized the establishment of the university. It was one of the terms of reference of the terms of the Presidential Working Party on education reform. Because of the very high priority you gave to this matter, you instructed that we get up and we get a standalone technical working committee to expedite the process, and Your Excellency, you gave me the opportunity to appoint Ezra Maritim to be the head of that team, and I really want to thank that team, Your Excellency, because when we had our first meeting on the 9th of January, we had a very serious discussion with my principal secretaries, and you had given me a timeline that we must operationalize this university in the course of this year. And you know, the professors were saying, CS, this can never be, because we have to come up with the programs, we have to come up with the courses, and the earliest it can be is mid-2024, 2025. But because you had given me a timeline, I also insisted and said it has to be done, and I really thank them because they worked 24/7 in order to make it happen. Your principal secretaries were wonderful people. I want to appreciate Your Excellency, your PS, Higher Education, Beatrice Nyangara. She did wonderful work. Your PS, Basic, because of the experience and the institutional memory, our weekly meetings with my PSS, one that was top on the agenda in our discussion was this, and Perio Kibusang was always assisting and advising on how we should be able to go about it, and my PS TVET, Esther Moria, thank you very much for the work we've done. Your Excellency, your insights, advice, and encouragement are what have made the realization of this dream possible. Within such a short time, you said it has to be done, it is doable, and indeed, here we are today, it has been done, Your Excellency. You helped clear our doubts and to keep us on the right path. On behalf of the Technical Committee and the Minister of Education, I express our very sincere gratitude for your unwavering support. Your Excellency, I could also like to take this opportunity once more to thank the Technical Committee, indeed under the chairmanship of Professor Ezra Maritim, a wonderful worker, very energetic, very resourceful, plus the 51 professors and the other 25 experts in ICT that we were able to get their support for the very excellent work done over the period. Since January of this year, Your Excellency, the team has worked for long hours to actualize the vision of the Open University. They have conducted extensive research and drafted well thought out documents to support the formation and operationalization of the university. I commend them for their sacrifice and dedication. Your Excellency, the establishment of this university opens a new chapter in access to higher education opportunities. By leveraging on technology, this university will promote access to higher education for many men and women who could otherwise have been locked out. They will now be able to access higher education conveniently and at an affordable cost. This way, the university will provide an opportunity for our people and others across the world to nurture and develop their full academic and research potential. Your Excellency, this is an important milestone in ensuring that we have opportunities to build our human capital. As you correctly pointed out the other day, our human capital is our most important resource. And Your Excellency, I undertake that me and the principal secretaries and the top leadership in the ministry, we will 100% continue supporting this university, and we thank you for also appointing the Chancellor, who is a man, Professor Dr. Mwangi James, who is so passionate in this matter, and we will be able to give all the support. At this juncture, Your Excellency, it is now my distinct honor to invite the Prime Cabinet Secretary to make his remarks and invite you, Your Excellency. Please.